Greetings, class. I wanted to take just a few minutes of your time to look at the course calendar with you. So when you look at the course calendar, you will see that the course itself is broken down into modules. And the majority of the modules are 1 week, although we do have a couple of modules that do run 2 weeks. The first module begins on Monday and ends on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. And so typically that is what you will see. Our modules will begin on Monday at 12:01 a.m. and end on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. For each module, unless otherwise indicated, you will be asked to respond to a discussion board prompt, and then you will be asked to respond to 2 peer posts. When we look on the course calendar, you will see both the topic area that is covered for each module, and then you will find the required readings. The objectives for the content for that week you will find in a bright space. So this first week, I do request that you review Morrison and Furlong, chapters 1 and chapters 2, and that you respond to the discussion board prompt by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. And then you should respond to 2 peers' posts by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. When we move to Module 2, you will see Module 2 runs from August 28th to September 23rd. The same here. You should respond to the discussion board prompt by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. and then respond to 2 peers' posts by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Please do remember to review the discussion rubric to ensure that you are meeting all of the criteria for a substantive post. For each of the weeks, most typically, or for each of the modules, that might be more clear, I will typically post a overview of the topic at the beginning of the week, although there are times that I may wait until the end of the week to see where the discussion unfolds. Okay? You will find that Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, each of those is 1 week. Module 4 is 1 week, but when we move into Module 5 and Module 6, each of those runs over 2 weeks. We may not have discussion on 1 or 2 weeks, and if so, that is indicated on the course calendar. If you should have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much.